In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Tableau dashboard. Whether you're just starting out with Tableau or you're looking to enhance your skills, understanding how to effectively zoom and navigate within your dashboards is crucial for an optimal experience. So let's jump right in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. This should bring you directly to the Tableau website, which will allow you to access your Tableau account or sign up if you haven't already. Logging in is simple. Just enter your credentials through the login page and hit enter. If you're new, you'll find that signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your dashboard or worksheet. Depending on how your Tableau is set up, this might be readily available under your recent files, or you might need to navigate through your projects or shared resources to find the dashboard that you want to work with today. Once you've opened your desired dashboard or worksheet, you're set to start exploring the zoom feature. Now, let's focus on enabling the zoom capability. You'll need to right-click anywhere in the view of your dashboard. A menu will pop up, and here you should select Show View Toolbar. Accessing the View toolbar is essential because it's where you'll find all the options that make zooming possible. Remember, if the toolbar isn't immediately visible, this step ensures that it will appear on your screen. With the View toolbar now visible, look for the Zoom Area Tool button. This is your primary tool for zooming into specific areas of your dashboard. Click on this tool to activate it. Once activated, simply click and drag over the area of the dashboard where you'd like to zoom in. This drag and drop action allows for precise control over which part of the dashboard you want to focus on. Should you find that the toolbar disappears, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an alternative method. On a Windows computer, you can hold down Ctrl and Shift together, and on a Mac, use Command and Shift. These combinations activate the Zoom Area tool without needing to access the toolbar directly. And that's it. You've now mastered zooming in on Tableau dashboards, enhancing your ability to navigate and analyze your data efficiently. This feature is particularly useful when you have large sets of data and need to concentrate on specific sections without losing sight of the bigger picture. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide on using Tableau's zoom feature both helpful and easy to understand. Be sure to practice using this function as you continue to create and interact with your dashboards. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your Tableau